Hey, how is everybody doing? What we're going to wanted to first talk about is the racetrack when they start off on the angle. Okay, and to straighten out the angle, I have to create the hexagon. Then I'm going to have to create the box that they're actually in to the furthest point. See the way this all works? Right over here. And then I would run this up, and this is like almost an obligation in design for balance. Now I'm not sure if I did that right, but if you take a look, it almost looks like the sailboat or something that's folded over some kind of 3D form. So now what I'm going to get into is what day it is today. Okay, and the day today is the 7th month of the 12th day. 7 times 12 equals to 84. 3 times 28 equals to 84. Therefore, it runs into an exact cubic cycle. It runs into the cycle under AI, under man. The reason for that is in order to get this answer, you must begin with this number over here. 1 times 3, 1 plus 3 equals to 3 and 4. 3 times 4, 3 plus 4 equal to what is 7 and 12 equals to 19. You would all think it's AI when it's actually G, like this. And the reason for that is when you say the 19, right, the 19 in French, it said 18 mentioning 10. The J letter, okay, which is an assembly of A, B, C, D equals to a total of 10, and that would be D, and it'd be transformed into J is for JD. Now, since it took number 13 in order to get over here, right, and we also had number 19, well, when you go full formation with 19 and you multiply it by 3, it equals to 57. So now we have the Heinz Mars moons. And that might include Earth moon, 19, 19, and 19. 2 for 19 is 38. And 19 for the 2 moons of Mars and the 1 moon of Earth, equaling to the Gold Club. So now we know the Gold Club is 22. It is Ape. It is Bust. And it is Go. They all relate to number 22. 1, 16, and 5. 2, 21, and 39. 23 and 39. 62, 39, 49, 59, 60, 62. So why is this? The Blue World and Ape, the Queen, because in blackjack you bust on 22. Go equals to 22, and 32 is its reverse, which is, I think it's T-L, right? Teal, let's say teal. So after we get through this formation, we also go, what is 3 by 28? 3 by 19. 28 and 19 equals to 47 equals to time. So now we have time on the moon in the cycle of Pluto and Mars. The reverse of 57 is 51. Mars, the reason for that, okay, it's not this one over here. It's not this 57 because Mars 4 letters equals to moon 4 letters, 57, and this one's 51. 27 and 27, every letter reverse, taking 2 sides of the alphabet to complement its polarity, and they equal to 27, so there are 4 of them. 4 by 27 is 108, 108. And also the reverse letters of Mars is Heinz. And note that the Z and the N are inverted to each other as the H and the I. So now today what happens is here, since 5 comes out of 12, 1 times 2, 1 plus 2 equals to 5, and 7 comes out of 13, 1 times 3, 1 plus 3. So the Queen and the King now separated, but they're reconnected over here, where 66, the 2 even numbers, come here and create what is 88 at the gate. 80. This is 80, and then it's all 8, 80, 88, and then it's 80 again. The 2 ends of the stroll and how all these are created. Never more than 3 in a row. First it's these 3, and then it's these 3. These 3 and these 3, or these 3 and these 3, but never more than 3. The fourth one will eliminate the first one. 5, 6 connects what is 7, 66 connecting what is 57, 75, and that's all the moons. If you multiply it by 13, it becomes 75,075, and that's how many moons there are after 5,775, or 77 times 75 equals to 5775. Electric company, 33. 7 and 5, 12. 1 and 2 is 3. 7 and 5, 12. 1 and 2 is 3. Where can we put this? 7 and 5 is 12. 1 and 2 is 3. So we do it twice. We get 33. Now if we multiplied it, right, we end up with 8. And then we get 88. So it's in the house church. C-H-U-R-C-H. Now where do we get the R from? 3 times 3 equals 9. Times 2 equals 18R. 3 and 3 is 6. Born on day 6. This 69 will be in rotation of its own sign. Here's what looks like a 9. Here's what looks like a 6. Here's a 6 on this side and 9 on this side. I'm just going over this quick. And then you have this formation running here, and then we run our lines over. Did I get that properly? And then we have going in the house this way or this way. We can also split it if we like. I forget exactly which way this goes. And we're splitting of the houses. And would I take that line all the way to here? And which way would I run that line, right? I'd run the first one here, the second one there. And we split the two sides. See the aces that'll come up on each side? Not sure if it was that way or should I have been running off the same point. You follow me when the sides get split? Where the W might come in? I don't know. I'm asking myself that question. So we went over all these things. We went over this piece here. Now back to here, what happens is at 88 seconds, where the gate is 128, where the 28 is the cycle of what is man, because the numeric value for man is 28. Its reverse alphabet is 53. Electric company, 1112, because that's what creates the numbers. In order to be man, you got to be man at 13. 12 is the female to the heavens. 8 times 8 plus 8 equals 1 and 6, 7, or 91 spirit, 61 the church, 64, 7. 1 and 7 creates 8, or Stargate, because it's created with 7 with 1 equaling to 8. So when you have 78, you have 39 and 39 equals to 78. And the number to 10 is 39, and the number to angel is 39, and the number to Saturn is 93, which is 31 times 3 versus 13 times 3. 39, 93, or how about 33? This is before anything gets mirrored. This is the maximum you can go. And if that's the maximum you can go, you're with 1212. Now 1212, everybody would know it's 7:32 if you're looking at time-wise. Otherwise, you're 48 seconds and 48 minutes. 47 minutes, 48 seconds. Talking about Pluto and time, talking about energy. We have to know what the real basic question is. So that's what I wanted to say right now. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching this video.